This is from my first book, Water, Wind, Spirit, and Stone.
Great book.
Thank you, C. Robert. This poem is called Tree in Honey Pocket Wilderness. I am a tree, but you cannot see me for the forest, not by neglect, not because you are not looking, or because of where I stand in my valley. I stand where, if you were to pause, you might settle and rest. Here, the ground is thick with leaves and moss. Here, a single shaft of sunlight lands late in the afternoon. My tree trunk is 1,000 seasons, rooted among stones in a buried creek bed. My roots touch a time when rainwater came to flood. Then my canopy was young, not so high and full. Then the sun shone longer. I swam in cool red mud. My roots were young, fat. The western ridge was not as wooded then. It was a time of longer days. Now, my trunk is dry from drought. My aged roots reach down through dry creek clay. My branches weigh on me. What prayer should I offer to God to bring rain? The song of my canopy in the wind? A dance of my shadow of the sun? Oh, my anger. Some old branch of mine breaks, crashes. My roots know it by the echo. Oh, my anger. Trees I used to call neighbors got harvested. The forester built his cabin from their carcasses.